Like the previous months, we are back with the new video regarding the best custom ROMs of the previous month. Like here, the April is here now, which means March best custom ROMs which I tried on my device. By the way, there were no major updates for a lot of custom ROMs. There was no March security patch till the end of the March, but still we have some of them. The first one is EvolutionOS, which is in our list, which is a great update, which they brings a great update. Why so? Because it includes a lot of new good UI customizations for you. You can see the quick settings panel is a bit changed because this is based on QPR2 as far as I know. The brightness slider, that icon in that is a little bit smaller now. In the wallpapers and style, you can see we have the new shortcuts option. This is really interesting because it was not available since the previous update, so this is something really interesting. By the way, if you need a full review, full video, link is available in the description. Make sure to check out that because full video is where you will get the idea that which are the new things added and what is the change log. You can customize the left button, you can customize the right button and the lock screen, so that's really nice. Second custom ROM which is in our list is AncientOS, and in the terms of customizations, you already know that no ROM can beat AncientOS right now. They already bringing you the latest customizations, latest features, but with Android 13 latest update version 7.2, of course they gave you only one update so far as I know, but maybe with the upcoming updates we might see some new changes, some bug fixes, because in the first update there were some bugs, but it's completely fine. This custom ROM is quite interesting, and this custom ROM brings you a lot of customizations. If you need customizations, yes, AncientOS is here for you. Right now, while making this video, this custom ROM is available for a lot of supported devices, so you can go and check it out. And the full video link is also available in the description. Make sure to check out that if you want to get to know about the major changes and features, because a lot of features I tried to show you, but still there are many which I will not be able to show you because this video could be very long. So go and check out AncientOS, which is one of the best ones right now. Last but not the least, this is SuperiorOS, most underrated custom ROM so far. Why so? Because it's vanilla version, it's smooth. In the latest update, they are bringing you OxygenOS themed dialer, which means new UI. As you can see in the favorites we have. By the way, this is not actually ported dialer from OxygenOS. It's simply themed dialer, themed AOSP dialer. You can see this kind of UI with the call screen, and you have the recording call option available, which means you can record calls without that announcement, that announcement which is quite annoying. Now you don't need to hear that. This is very good. Other options are simply same, and like the previous custom ROMs, this custom ROM full video, full review link is also available in the description. So all of these custom ROMs videos links are available in the description. Make sure to check out that for full videos, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. These custom ROMs are super good according to me. For the previous month, there might be many, but in the previous month there were no major changes in the custom ROMs. That is why this list might be, a lot of you might not agree to this, but still I think so these are good and worthy to give it a try. Go and check it out.